Welcome to the video, to this training. So today I'll be showing you quickly on how to blend an image to a background. How to blend an image to a background. So first of all, I'll have to change the background of this. I'll have to change our background flyer. So I change it to white. Then I import the image. So I click on the plus sign here and click from gallery. Then I pick the image I want to use. So let me use this image. I've already moved the background. So look at this image very well. You can see there is a sharp edge here at the bottom. So we don't want to see this sharp edge. We want to make the image blend to this background. So now I'll first of all lock the image at the spot. Lock it here so I cannot move it. Then the next thing I do, now I'm going to show you two methods of how to blend and blend an image to a background. Two methods, so watch carefully. Whichever method you like, you can use. So first of all, I'm going to add shape. This is the first method. I'll add shapes. So look at the shape, and I scroll down, go to opacity and reduce it completely to 0. Then I scroll down and go to stroke width. You can see stroke width, and I increase it completely. Then I bring it together like this. You can take it closer. I change the color to white since the background I'm blending the image to is a white background, so I change the color to white. Change it to white. Then I scroll down and go to blur radius. I increase the blur radius to the fullest. Then I click good. So I'll just keep dragging it so you can see. Now if you see, as I placed it on the image, it has not completely taken off the edge. So I'll click on copy. Then I'll copy it again. So you can see, you can increase the size so that it can make it look very realistic. So I click copy. So now you see we no longer see the edges. You can lock them here so that it will not affect whatever you're doing. So you can see we no longer see the edges. Now let me show you the method too. So I'm going to hide all this. So let me show you the second method of how you can also. Now this method is actually very easy as well. So it also has to do with shape. So I add a shape. Then the next thing I do is I go to my color. Then I pick gradient. So I click on the plus sign. So now I want to use the white background. So I click on this button here. You can see where I click now. Then you click on the paint bucket and choose white. You take this down to white. You can see. Then you click on the next icon here. You can see as I clicked on it. And then I click on the paint bucket and take the last color wheel on the gradient aspect. You can see on this gradient aspect, take it down completely. And yes, you click. So you can take this down a bit. You click OK. Now you see we have this. You click OK. Now it has not really completely covered it, so we also keep copying till the edges are completely covered. So this is another way to blend your image to the background. You can lock them up here. So Then the last method I'm going to show you on how to blend an image to the background is this method, which is somewhat difficult, but you can also learn it as well. Then I click on draw, draw, click on draw. Then you increase the pen size to the fullest, increase the smoothness size to the maximum, 100%. Go to the blur radius, increase it to maximum as well. Then you come down, choose your color. Since the background we're blending an image to is white, we choose white. Choose white. Then you draw. Just draw on. Just draw. So you can see edges are being removed. Now you can make it more realistic by enhancing it, by increasing the size. And the way looking at it is because of, and this one is the one I use the most because it makes my image just look exactly the way I want it. So yes, so this way you can just come here and lock it up. Now you see our image have been perfectly blended to the background. You're no longer seeing those edges. You can add a text. So you can add a text. You can add a simple text. Let's say, for instance, we want to use changes now to a flyer. You can say congratulations, congratulations, congratulations. So let's change the font. Let's choose the font. So we'll go for an a script font. So I believe you should have imported some of the fonts here. So I just look for a script. I choose this set toolbar. Yes. So you see it's not really that visible. Then I increase this text size. Let's increase the text size. So you can see, change the color. Let me change the color to red. Yes. So we can also go to style and make the text bold. Good. Yes. So congratulations. Okay, let's add something else. Oh, what do we add? So I can add her name in a box. Let me just use a random name. Let me use a random name. And okay, let me use which name should I use? I don't know. Hannah Okoro. So Hannah Okoro. So let me change the text. Let me change the text, the font size. So I'm going to use Montserrat. Montserrat is here. Yes, let me use the bold one. Good. So yes, I can increase the text size. Increase the text size. Let me change the color. Change the color. Okay. I think I should add a shape to the background. Let me add a shape so that it will look have a different look. So let me change the shape color to red. Okay, no, I've used red. Let me use another color. I'm just picking random colors. Okay, let me use this color. This is perfect. Then I bring the text. I bring the text to front. So I click on the text, bring it, click on to front. See, so you see, reduce the size of the text. Reduce the size of the text. So you click on your move button to adjust it properly. As a position button. Then you go to color. I don't know, it seems I'm fast in this video. Please just take your time and go through it. Then you click on white so that your text will pop out. Good. So you click on your position again and adjust it very well. Yes, congratulations, Hannah Okoro. Then okay, what are we congratulating now for? Okay, let's check. Congratulations on your convocation. Congratulations on your convocation. So we'll add another text. Let me copy the same text because I'm also using the same font. So I'll change it. Congratulations on your convocation. You know, the text is white, so I'm going to change the color to black. I think I'm okay with this color. We increase the size to reduce it. Good. Okay. Variation on your convocation. We change it completely black. Oh, these are not pure black. It's pure black. Yes. So this. So voila. So I just use this to make you see how it looks. It looks very, very beautiful because now assuming I go and turn off this, the blending, the blend I use in cutting off that edge, you will see how it will now look. Now you see it doesn't look nice. Doesn't look nice at all. So the blending tool helps you to make your image look very well, look attractive and visually appealing to the eyes. So you can just click on save this image and don't choose ultra and save to your gallery. So yes, you can save to your gallery. So you wait for it to save and it'll save. So everybody, you're going to choose the kind of blending tool you want and do exactly this design I've made. So yeah, see you in the next video.